Hello Quora users! Today I'll show you how to change your credentials such as your email address or password on Quora. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Quora account using your current credentials, including your email address and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Account tab. Here, you'll find options to manage your account settings, including your email address and password. To change your email address, click on the Edit button next to your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and save your changes. To change your password, click on the Change Password option. Enter your current password followed by your new password and then confirm it. After that, click on Save Changes to update your password. Quora may require you to confirm your new email or password. Follow any prompts or instructions provided to complete the confirmation process. In some cases, Quora may ask you to verify your new email address or password by sending a confirmation email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to verify your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your credentials on Quora. Your updated email address and password will now be associated with your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.